Naiwan ko yung phone doon. Parang chinarge ko yun eh. So, ma-overheat yun. Ma-overcharging. God. Kami galab. Shout out guys. Magpupurgod sana yon kung matutuloy sila sa ano. Please guys, hit the like please to support my channel. What time now? Oh, 7:33 na pala. Bye-bye na ako guys. Bye-bye na. I'm late na pala. See you on my next live guys. Thank you for the